Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us for another episode of RoadTripJa, the heartbeat of Jamaica's roads. This is your excursion extraordinaire and guide, Dr. A. Thanks for being a part of our last viewing of the Albion to Harbourview rendition. Now we'll be continuing that journey from Harbourview to the Mountain View area. We have noted your comments, questions, and concern, and as such, we will be aiming to address them. But before, let us give you a rundown of that which we plan to accomplish on this excursion. Here on your premier road trip channel, RoadTripJa, the heartbeat of Jamaica's roads. So for today's journey, we'll be making our way from Harbourview. After exiting the roundabout, we'll be heading down on Sir Florizel Glaspose Highway. And just a quick note, on the side from Harbourview to Kingstown, it is a Sir Florizel Glaspose Highway. However, on the opposite side of that same thoroughfare, it is called the Norman Manley Boulevard. That would be from the section at the stoplight that would take you from Windward Road to Harbourview. So we'll be making our way to the Windward Road area. After reaching the Windward Road area, then we'll be making our way on to Mountain View. We'll be making our way from the bottom Mountain View area, passing the Mountain View Police Station. Then we'll be making our way to Excelsior High School and the Excelsior Community College area, an institution with the motto Aggie Animal. I think it means do it with thy might. And after we have made our way, we're going to be passing a few communities along the way, which you will be able to see on your right and on your left. We'll be heading straight to the top of the Mountain View area, and at the stoplight, we'll be taking a brief pause before we continue on the next leg of our journey to the University of the West Indies Hospital. It is a hope that you will enjoy the viewing experience. Based on your comments, questions, and concern, you indicated that the last video was a little bit too fast. Well, we have news for you, never fear. We will be taking you back down that lane in a little while after we have completed our trip to the university, so you can see it in real time. For those who had concerns about having a little bit too much narrative in the video for edification purposes, have no fear. In this edition, based on your concerns, based on your suggestions, we'll be reducing the amount of verbal utterance. And we'd like to give a shout out to Glenton Edwin, who had the courage to speak his mind. And we also have a comment from Finding Nico. The comment states that it seems as though I should be working on a radio station. And I want to thank Nico for that comment. And indeed, if you'd like to enjoy more of my verbal output, you can find me on my personal YouTube channel, which I will link in the description and also in the video, where you can hear me speak and have conversation with females and males alike. The channel is Dr. Kareem Ainsley. But this channel is exclusively for those who are serious about relationships. And if you're not serious about relationships, I'm going to advise you earnestly, please do not subscribe to that channel, because that channel is a channel for exclusive leaders. So if you are a follower, that is not the channel for you. If you have relationship struggles, then that is a channel for you. But today we're not here to talk about that. We're here to get on the road with RoadTripJa. Pleasant viewing and enjoy that which is. Until next time when we meet again, signing out is Dr. A, your excursion extraordinaire and guide. Walk, ride, drive, and fly good.